Hello! Right, today we're just going to have a ride out to the cafe for a brew. It is a Saturday morning and we've got some decent weather this week. So yeah, I expect there'll be a few there. What time are we on? It's just gone 10 o'clock, about 10 past 10, something like that. So yeah, you can expect a few there. Oh, blooming potholes still up down here. Knock your fillings out, some of them. Old V-banks, we call them the V-banks because it obviously goes like that. I remember years ago coming down here, many years ago, on an old GT 500 Suzuki, and I was giving it full throttle and because you could do then. And I hit them banks, hit the bottom of that bank, and it bottomed the suspension that much that the rear number plate caught on the back tyre and just folded under. G-force when I hit the bottom. Those were the days. We used to spend quite a bit of time, years gone by, many years gone by, in the pubs around this area, simply because it was reasonably safe to have a couple of pints and not worry about getting pulled over. I mean, you wouldn't do it now. You wouldn't even think about it. I mean, I wouldn't even drink a pint of shandy and go out driving or riding. But it's what you did then. Yeah, and we used to go to the local pubs around these back lanes and you know, you were left alone. Yeah, the Green Man, that was a popular one. There's a couple more down here, but yeah, they've long gone. Yeah, and I showed you that one in the last video. The Wheat Sheaf, burnt down, abandoned many years ago. Like I said, I'm assuming it belongs to the farm. And they've just left it to go derelict, you know. I'm going to turn off. How about that? Not the way I wanted to go, but hey, we'll go the scenic route. Postman here, Postman Pat turning round, look. Be a bit more careful on these lanes today. With it being the weekend, they're going to be a bit more busy. Nice straight road there. I've just been having a look on AliExpress, see what goodies they've got for the Guerrilla. Well, and the Himalayan actually. Yeah, there's one or two bits and the prices seem decent. Still tempted to get a rear rack, but yeah, they're not cheap. It's about, oh, I hate this gravel on the road. Look, yeah, it's about £50 for a rear rack. I think it's a bit hit and miss if they fit as well, isn't it, you know? There's lots of other stuff on there. I think I left a link in the previous video actually to some of the things. I only take my time around these lanes, as you see, around 40, about 40 mile an hour. You never know what's coming. And yeah, a lot of tractors this time of year, so, and Range Rovers. See, there's my point exactly. If you sort of keep below 40, it gives you a braking chance, doesn't it? I wish I knew which way to go. I'm sure I need to go down that one, but we'll carry on. Should have brought me bag with me today. Plenty of horse manure around with my tomatoes. Pull over to the side, scooping it up. Potholes. And this is the road I originally wanted to be on, but we took that little detour, which is fine. Not an issue, is it? Looks like they've had a bit of rain round this neck of the wood. As long as they've had it and it's not coming again. Yeah, I think I've had enough of these back lanes now. There's a lot of well, not a lot of traffic, is there? I keep meeting traffic where I wouldn't normally, and the roads are appalling, the condition of them. One thing I really do hate is the washed up. Oh, that's a takeoff bridge, isn't it? You could hit that with some speed. You get the washed up gravel in the middle of the road. I really hate that. Just going through Utoxeter. Do we want to go to the race course? Nah. I imagine the horse racing is on today actually. Not far from the cafe now. and heading back to a bit more brighter sky. Yeah, positively summery. See, they've been dressing the road, as they call it, around here again. Terrible stuff. Best speed deterrent there is. Well, if you're on a bike, for sure. I hate the stuff I do. Over to the left, that would take us down to the dam, or the reservoir, whatever you want to call it, which was featured in one or two of my previous videos actually. It's one of my popular places I visit, but we're not going there today. We're going the cafe for a brew. Used to be a good cafe, that did, on the corner there. Don't even know if it's still a cafe. I think it is. Used to be a popular one. Nobody seems to go there anymore. Here we go. One or two here. Right, we'll leave these fine gentlemen alone, and we'll start to head off back home. Yeah, I don't know who that Guerrilla belonged to. Thought he did made himself known, you know. Shouted up, "Oh, it's me!" Right. Like I say, I'm going to head back home now. It was only ever going to be just a ride out to the cafe, but we did a little detour down the back roads. At least it didn't rain. Right, I'm gonna go home and get myself a bit of dinner, I think. My belly's starting to growl a bit. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.